Welcome to our deep dive on sentence transformers. Today, you'll master the skills needed to fine-tune these models for your specific needs, elevating your projects to new levels of precision and relevance. Have you ever wondered how pre-trained models can be tailored to meet specific needs? In this video, we'll explore the world of sentence transformers and their fine-tuning. Sentence transformers are powerful tools for natural language processing, pre-trained to understand and transform sentences into meaningful embeddings. However, when it comes to specific tasks like sentiment analysis in a specialized field, these models need to be fine-tuned to grasp the nuances of your domain. By the end of this video, you'll know precisely how to set up and execute this process, ensuring your model performs optimally in your chosen application.
Sentence transformers are a crucial component in the NLP toolkit, designed to convert sentences into embeddings that capture semantic meaning. These embeddings can be used for a variety of tasks, such as clustering, semantic search, and information retrieval. Pre-trained models like BERT and RoBERTa form the backbone of sentence transformers, leveraging vast datasets to understand language patterns. However, while these models are powerful, they are not infallible when applied to niche applications. This is where fine-tuning comes into play, allowing you to adjust the model's parameters to better suit specific data characteristics and task requirements. Generic models provide a strong starting point, but their performance can significantly improve with fine-tuning. Imagine using a sentence transformer pre-trained on general English text to analyze legal documents. The nuances and terminology unique to legal discourse might not be captured effectively. Fine-tuning allows the model to learn these specifics, enhancing its accuracy and reliability. Whether it's medical jargon or tech industry lingo, fine-tuning tweaks the model to excel in your domain, offering improved performance and insights. Throughout this video, we'll guide you through the steps to achieve this transformation.
Before diving into fine-tuning, setting up your environment correctly is crucial. Start with a robust Python setup, as it's the foundation for all your NLP tasks. Install libraries like transformers and sentence transformers using pip. Make sure your system has a compatible GPU if you're dealing with large datasets, as this will speed up the training process significantly. Also, ensure that your software versions are compatible and up-to-date to avoid any runtime issues. This preparation step sets the stage for a smooth fine-tuning experience.
Selecting the right dataset is a pivotal step in fine-tuning. Your dataset should be representative of the specific task or domain you are targeting. Consider both the size and quality of the data. A larger dataset isn't always better if it's not relevant. Look for domain-specific data, perhaps from industry publications or specialized databases. Once sourced, pre-process the data to ensure consistency and remove any noise. This preparation ensures that your model learns the most pertinent features, leading to improved performance in application. Now, let's dive into the actual fine-tuning process. Start by loading a suitable pre-trained sentence transformer model. Next, configure its parameters to suit your dataset and task. This includes setting the learning rate, batch size, and epochs. Begin the training process, feeding your pre-processed dataset into the model. As training progresses, monitor the performance metrics to ensure the model is learning effectively. Once training is complete, save your fine-tuned model for deployment. This step-by-step approach ensures a thorough and effective fine-tuning process, tailored to your specific needs.
Post-training, it's essential to evaluate your model's performance. Use validation datasets to test your model, focusing on metrics such as accuracy, precision, and recall. These metrics offer insights into how well your model is performing on unseen data. Analyze the results to identify any areas of improvement. If performance isn't satisfactory, consider adjusting the model parameters or refining your dataset further. Continuous evaluation and improvement are key to maintaining a high-performing model that meets your domain's needs.
Fine-tuning comes with its challenges. One common pitfall is overfitting, where your model performs well on training data but poorly on new data. Mitigate this by using techniques like dropout or regularization. Another issue is handling imbalanced datasets, which can skew your results. Address this by resampling or using weighted loss functions. Always prioritize data quality to ensure meaningful learning. Additionally, be mindful of your computational resources, especially if you're working with limited hardware. Lastly, keep your model up to date with regular reviews and improvements to maintain its relevance and accuracy. Fine-tuned sentence transformers have transformative potential across various industries. In customer service, they can analyze sentiment to improve interactions and satisfaction. In research, they help sift through vast amounts of data to extract valuable insights. Businesses leverage these models for enhanced data analysis, helping drive strategic decisions. In healthcare, they can assist in understanding patient feedback or medical literature. The adaptability of fine-tuned models fosters innovation, making them invaluable tools in the ever-evolving landscape of natural language processing. Congratulations on completing this journey into the fine-tuning of sentence transformers. Remember, the key to mastering this process lies in experimentation and continuous learning. Keep exploring new datasets, tweaking parameters, and testing outcomes to refine your skills. Engage with the community for shared knowledge and insights. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more deep dives into NLP and beyond. We're excited to see how you'll apply these skills in your projects, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with sentence transformers.